Himalayan salt has 84 minerals and is known worldwide for its health benefits and many uses. This pink salt comes from the Kiora region in Pakistan, deep underground for millions of years, making it the second largest salt globally, dating back around 800 million years. This factory makes 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt from mines to your table. Alexander the Great discovered it in 326 BC when his horses licked nearby rocks, and now it's famous worldwide. Now let's dive into the journey of making this delicious, famous pink salt. The process begins with the extraction of salt from underground mines. The primary source of Himalayan salt is the Kiora salt mine in Pakistan, although there are other salt mines in the region. Miners use various methods, including drilling, blasting, and manual extraction, to obtain the salt deposits. Making Himalayan salt starts with taking salt rocks from the best parts of the mines. Only the highest quality rocks are chosen for their purity and minerals. Picking the right rocks is crucial for the final product's taste, color, and health benefits. Trucks, specially designed for caves, collect these mineral-rich rocks. Some places even use a train truck system to make the delivery faster and cheaper. Once the salt is exposed, it is extracted from the mine. Some mining operations use heavy machinery, while others may rely on manual labor to extract the salt crystals. The extracted salt is transported to processing plants for further refinement. This may involve transporting the salt in its raw form or crushing it into smaller pieces for easier handling and transportation. The salt is washed to remove impurities, debris, and any remaining earth or rock particles. This step is crucial for obtaining high-quality salt. The salt may undergo crushing and grinding processes to achieve the desired grain size. Different products may require specific particle sizes, so this step varies based on the intended use of the salt. The processed salt is sorted and graded based on quality and size. This ensures that the final product meets the specifications for different applications. Quality control measures are implemented to ensure that the salt meets safety and purity standards. This may involve testing for contaminants and monitoring mineral content. The final step involves packaging the processed salt into various forms, such as coarse granules, fine crystals, or larger chunks. Packaging may be done in bags, jars, or other containers, depending on the intended market and use. The packaging process involves sealing Himalayan salt products in airtight containers to protect them. High-quality plastic or glass containers are chosen to keep the salt safe from moisture and contaminants. For wholesale distribution, Himalayan salt is packaged differently to handle larger quantities for bulk shipments. Sturdy bags made of materials like woven polypropylene are often used because they are strong and can hold a lot of salt. Crafting salt lamps involves skilled artisans using big blades to cut and shape the salt rocks. Precision and caution are paramount due to the size and power of the cutting equipment. After the initial cut, artisans refine and standardize the size using hammers, followed by a polishing phase to enhance the natural luster of the salt rocks. After the rocks are initially cut, skilled artisans take over using hammers to refine and standardize their size. The salt rocks undergo a polishing phase to enhance their natural luster and create a smooth finish. Craftsmen then carefully place lighting components inside the hollowed-out center of the salt rock. After assembly, a quality check is done to make sure everything is right. The lamps are then packaged securely to protect them during transportation, with labels providing important information for consumers. From the production facility, the packaged Himalayan salt lamps are distributed to retail stores, wellness centers, and online platforms through various channels. The journey of Himalayan salt, from the mines to creating products like salt lamps, shows the blend of tradition and modern craftsmanship. Himalayan table salt is popular for its unique benefits, making it a favorite among health-conscious consumers. The 84 minerals in Himalayan salt are believed to support electrolyte balance, hydration, and nutrient absorption. If you're interested in learning more about production processes, from raw materials to end products, watch our other videos and subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.